Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-Sportline, coming to you today from our headquarters, and you're right inside our plotting room. This is a behind the scenes look at how we make DIY wrap and PPF kits. If you ever wondered the kits that we sell, where do they come from? Well, right here in-house, we've got a complete lab. We've got all kinds of plotters here. We've got a roll plotter back here. This is one of our flatbed plotters over here. So if it's a DIY kit, it's being made in here. There's a couple of different ways we do this. When we do graphics, we typically do them on this roll plotter, but this flatbed machine is a CNC cutter. It's super precise, and all of these panels are cut flat on a 2D plane. So it makes it a lot more accurate than what we can get on a roll plotter, where the film has to move as it's plotting. You can see over here, the film doesn't move. We move the cutter over the film. Super precise. It's a lot more expensive piece of equipment, but it makes our DIY kits just that much perfect. Interestingly enough, we use this kit when we do a professional installation as well. We cut our same DIY kits right here on this machine. So pretty cool. Check it out up close. This is awesome. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. We've got a lot more cool stuff like this to share with you.